Okay, I'm hoping you can hear me. If okay, this video will be posted on YouTube and it will consist of the developer meeting and it's only 3 people out of 7. Yeah, I know. But that's why I'm recording it so everybody can see it. The video in the end so they know what's happening.
Oh, it has pickles in it.
Hi. Be quiet. Be quiet. Okay, okay, let us begin. Topic for today is that we have been doing work, but we have not been keeping a level head about it. And some people have been doing more work than others, and other people have been doing no work. The people who have been doing no work and has not been assigned a job is currently I Darkness Dreams, because he has been assigned a job, but he did not really perform to my expectations, because what I do is I rank people on their skills. So if you're a builder, you will be ranked upon your skills, and if there's currently 5 builders, might be 6, but I don't really think he's a builder. Might not be builder, but anyway. I think there's 5 builders. So that includes me, Falcon, what? So that includes me, Falcon, Eye Darkness, Frost, because I know he showed me one of his buildings, and Fire Dice. With that, we have a total of 5 builders. So not to discriminate, but as you can see, I am ranked first because I actually build the most, and I had to build the whole town on my own, even though I still got a little bit of errors in it. So that makes me first. And I have pretty good reasoning too, since I build most of the blades by myself. I said most. So with that, we have Fire Dice in second place due to him and his he's active and he likes to build a lot because he helps me a lot. Even though his build, he has a problem with his with his placing. He is active and he does like to build a lot, so he does help me with the maps and a lot of other stuff, because he did help me with the design a little bit with the town, so he deserves some credit too. Along with that, we do have Falcon next, because he did help me with the Grimgar town while we're trying to fix it up and make it have a little bit more design with it when we're still working on Grimgar. So that now makes him in third place. Along with that, yeah, we know Grimgar is dead. You don't have to keep reminding us. Fourth place is Frost. Even though he's the animator, he will not be demoted if he gets in fifth place for as a builder. But he is in fourth place. With that, he is our only animator. So until but Bentley is another animator, so he is helping us a little bit. But also with that, I have to say, Eye Darkness is ranked 5th out of all the builders. And I'm sorry about that, but he has not shown that much skill with his buildings. And when I looked at the cafe he built in cafe buildings, it looked like he had very little design. I like the building, how it was structured and how it was built, but I think it's a free mod. And don't not worry about the background. And then, with that also being said, he had stuff misplaced. He had a lot of copied and paste stuff. So you have like cashiers out of place, like they're outside floating in the ground. New developer, you get a scripter. I listed you under scripters, not builders. So you do not deserve a building rank. No, you're not ranked 7. anyway, back to what I was saying. Now, with that being said, out of all of them, there is a ranking for the scripters too. And if you want to guess who is in last place, it is certainly not Noob Developer. It is not. And if you check, it is actually me in last place for scripters, due to the fact I'm a beginner at it. And since I am a beginner at scripting, I do not know how to script that much. I'm still trying to learn how to script. So that makes me in last place until I'm actually able to get my scripting skills up, like I did with building. Just keep on working. We'll practice on it. Anyway, with that, we actually need to assign jobs to people. Noob Developer is currently working on a project that is rival to Superhero Tycoon Simulator or whatever, but it's actually a backup project if we're not able to get Xionia back in pre-alpha and playable by November the 10th. So with that being said, I actually made a deal with them, but I might change the deal up again due to the reason everybody thinks we're working on Xionia right now. So so if it's past the 10th and we still haven't gotten pre-alpha, let us make it so we keep working on Xionia a little bit, posting little sneak peeks at least once a week, telling them that we're still working on it, while the majority of us is actually still working on new developer's game, since he's the lead project for his game, and it's under Black Sky Studios. So if we are not able to get Xionia in pre-alpha by November 10th, we will have to keep working on Xionia a little bit, while keeping the public thinking that we are still working on Xionia, while we work on his new developer's game, Regular Valley, I think. Yeah, because I did come up with the name. While working on Regular Valley with new developer in secret until it actually is be able to play. It actually is playable. But we still have the problem with the animations and the monsters. What we actually need to do is make the monster area for Chapter 1. Yeah, Excursion 2 isn't going ahead because E-Range wants to be mad at me, and then he wants to be mad at Online Vision because he actually did hire Online Vision to make a rebound off of Excursion 1. So actually, E-Range actually came on Roblox and kicked me out of the group. He actually came back to Roblox. So Grimgar isn't going ahead, so we're doing Xionia right now. But if we cannot do Xionia Xionia correctly like we did, and if it fails if it fails like Grimgar and Excursion 2, well, Excursion 2 is a different matter. If it fails like Grimgar, then we will have to start where new developer is starting. It's not a mobile game. Well, it can be if we actually try and make it into mobile. But it's mainly like the Grimgar in an online adventure game. But unlike Grimgar, you actually managed to get it. It's not mobile for Roblox. So with that being said, we are going to try and make a PC version, and it's actually going to be on Roblox. So we're going to have to change a lot of things with it, because I did not actually follow the design of what they did with the town. I did not really like the design they did with the town that much, so I didn't actually try and remake the town like how they did it in the game. So the town actually looks the town is actually different, way different from the Xionia game. Okay, okay, what we actually need to do is actually try and make the animations. So, new developer, you said something about we can either use animations or something else. Well, what was that? C frame? Animations, proof. I'll take my leave there. What? Wait, so we can actually use C frame to do the animations, but wouldn't that? Hold on, I have stuff in there. Hold on, I need to go check something. New developer, you're in charge. Do you have Trello, right? I'll send you the Trello link.
This seems interesting.
Okay, I am back. I'm back. Should be louder a little bit now. Now, who knows how to animate other than who knows how to animate other than Frost? If you're in this call, so you know how to animate, noob. So, do you know how to animate? So, so can you actually make a sword slash animation for the swords? Okay, great. So you can be helping out Frost with that since he has a lot of trouble. He actually did try and make the animation, but I don't know. He actually did show me the animation and he did not lie about that, but I don't know if he uploaded it. Huh. Wait, so why would you disagree with the C frame? Uh, Reason is because Fart Ice has some other problems, and when he goes idle, that really means he's AFK, and or he's probably sleeping or something else. I don't know. But Frost, I don't know what his deal is right now. Don't tag people. No, if you actually to Vortex, it will actually kick in and strike you. So if you get a strike, not my fault, and I'm not revoking it, cause. Yeah, Dan said he'd be on a little bit later due to some reason, so let him just hold that to it. I'm getting ready to end this meeting in 6 more minutes. So, with that being said, New developer, you do have Trello, right? Okay. I'm going to invite people by giving them a special link. So wait, so you're already in the Trello? I don't see you. It's only me. Change permissions to admin. Change permissions to admin. Wait, so what's your username for Trello? Let me just restart my Trello page. Okay. Okay, let me just go ahead and authorize of containment. I added you to the board. And let me go ahead and change your permissions to admin. Like, ready? Anyway, yeah, we're all a team, so there's no helper meeting, but the helpers are a part of the developer meeting. Well, there's actually no helper meeting. It's called a staff meeting. Noob, aren't you in the Trello already? Okay. Now, Falcon, do you have a Trello account? Here you go. Send you it. There's an invite link. Now that makes like half the developers in the Trello. I just need to get Fire Dice and Not Darkness in here. Okay, yeah. No, you didn't, cause I made all the descriptions, so everybody might not agree with them. New developer, you might want to check your description. If you scroll all the way to the side, you're gonna see developers, your name, and you're gonna check. Yeah. No. Okay, now I will post now if you're checking the Trello daily, I will post new jobs up, and if you look in the description of each job, it's gonna say whoever's doing it. So each job is going to have one of your names on it, and it's going to tell you what to do. So I'm going to assign new developer to the job of animation too. Okay, and that concludes the developer meeting. So let me go move us to the staff meeting. Okay, staff meeting. Let me go move you to staff VC. Yeah, this is a staff meeting, so you're in. Yeah, I said it. I said staff meeting at 3:30. Okay. Let me go get head admin in here. Ben, get in staff VC, please. Hmm? I mean, we can, but I don't really know how to work Trello that well. Oh, okay, huh. Hmm. Okay, that's everybody, right? Uh, hold on, we're waiting on, Vad.
Ah, what is that?
Flower. Hmm. Okay, let us go ahead and start without the admin. Huh. He's back. Now, just casual while I'm eating. Hmm. Anyway, we have to address the fact that we're low on staff members because we only have one admin, one mod, and one head admin. We're trying to get some more. Hold on. Dan. Developer meeting ended at 3:30. Staff meeting started at 3:30.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry I'm late.
Okay, we need to address the fact that we're low on staff and we don't have that many staff to run the Discord when the owner and co-owner is out. Especially when the head admin is offline along with the co-owner and owner of the whole thing. So what we really need to do is get some more members into the Discord so they can be more keen to actually have more sorry about the person who's in my background just spitting all around. Okay, stop.
No.
Stop. Okay, anyway. What do you mean you don't like the menu font? Okay, we're straying off topic. Anyway. Nobody's dying. Okay, anyway. So So what do y'all guys propose we do with how we get more members? Because I have just been going on my alt and sending him invites while advertising other people's servers and getting myself banned.
First of all, don't make fake Roblox scams.
If we do Roblox ads, that means we have to get Robux, and to get Robux, we don't have enough, and we're already doing a job for 10k Robux. We would have earned more, but I didn't have the time to actually try and do Photoshop with a picture, cause Ben actually tried to do it, but he couldn't do it in time. Well, he said he couldn't do it because he didn't have back stuff. I mean, we can, but there's really no way for us to actually get members that fast. So, what we can't, but there is a bot we have that used to it. Okay, just number one, I'm getting rid of some old and useless bots. I'm kicking this bot for being annoying and spamming other Discord servers. There we go. And the bot has been kicked. And in the meantime, I will delete the random Discord server, which really nobody can see but me and a couple of other people. That is Noob. That's new developer in Trello. Now, with that being said, does anybody have any suggestions of how we can get some more members into the Discord server without us having to spend money or having us to go randomly get banned from other people's servers for advertising? Post the staff Discord code on a Roblox link and disable the auto kick. Okay, number one, I have the auto kick for a reason, cause people are getting crowded up into the Discord and not actually trying to verify. And I mean, I do have some people who are not verified in the server right now because they're friends of people who I actually need and who are actually developers that I can call back as favors later, but I can't call back as favors right now due to some reason. Wait, so you? Oh wow. So, what we could do. Since Vad is now an admin, he's the only person who is able to basically strike people. So, Falcon, try checking Vad. Do you know how to use the bot command? Okay, do this. Check Vad. Do that. Do the command I just did and see if you can do it. Now with that, I'm actually going to give a few admin, the ability to kick and ban people. But here's the downfall. When you have that ability, if you abuse even once, you will lose it, and you will be given 5 strikes for abusing. Because the penalty is higher for developers. So, with that, Falcon is becoming will be able to kick people. Haunted should already be able to kick. Yeah, Haunted does not. Haunted should already be able to kick people. I am enabling it so Fire Dice is able to kick people. Because he doesn't really abuse, but he is online active enough. And with that, we have 3 new people. I'll give it them to new developers as well. That's because I don't feel like hearing him and having him spam my DMs saying this. Why didn't you give me admin privileges to kick and warn people? Because he does do that. Oh, really? Do I have to go up in DM logs and see how many times you got mad at me for doing something? Oh, thank you. Not anymore. Now, since we have been doing that, we have actually been hung up with 3 separate projects for developers. So I'm kind of going to combine both the meetings together so I can actually talk to some people